Okay, so tonight we are working on problems 8, 10, 11, and 12. For problem 8, you have to remember that that natural log has that invisible e as its base. So when we do our snail, we'll have e to the negative 2 equals 5x plus 3. When we subtract the 3, divide by 5, we have x equals e to the negative 2 minus 3 over 5. For problem 10, we need to get this 3 to the power by itself. So first we're going to subtract 5. We'll have 2 times that 3 to the 3x minus 1 equals 5. After we divide by 2, we'll have 3 to the 3x minus 1 equals 5 halves. We're able to do our snail. So log base 3 of 5 halves equals 3x minus 1. So after we add our 1, divide by 3, we have x equals log base 3 of 5 halves plus 1 divided by 3. For problem 11, again, we need to get that log by itself. So we'll subtract 1, divide by 5, log base 3 of 2x minus 1 equals 2. Snail, 3 squared equals 2x minus 1. 3 squared is 9. We add the 1, divide by 2, x equals 5. And for the last one tonight, again, we have natural log. We're trying to get that by itself, so we'll divide by 3. Natural log of 5x minus 2 equals 1/3. Remember, natural log has that invisible e. So we'll have e to the 1/3 equals 5x minus 2. Then we'll add our 2, divide by 5, and x will equal. And that's tonight's homework. Have a good night. See you tomorrow.